Hi everyone, it's Miranda, and today I will be doing a Get Ready With Me Halloween edition, so let's get started. So if you're wondering what I'm going to be for Halloween, I will tell you. So I'm going to be a minimalist, but I don't think I really need to dress up as a minimalist because I already am a minimalist, so let me show you my minimalist outfit. So for the first part of my minimalist outfit, I have this, it's kind of like a mix between a sweater and a shirt, and I really like it. And yeah, that's the first part of my minimalist outfit. And now for the second part, I have these jeans, and I really like them, and I think they're very minimalistic. So yeah, that's basically my minimalist outfit. So yeah. Now it's time for me to change into my minimalist outfit. So I've now changed into my minimalist outfit and I really like it. So now I'm going to redo this hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on. I already have makeup on, but I'm just gonna put like just the tiniest bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate with some Halloween decorations. Okay, so I am done doing all of the Halloween decorations, so now it's time for me to show you the decorations. So this isn't much, but I just put a tiny pumpkin here, and yeah. Then over here, there's this greenish blue pumpkin. And here there's a pumpkin decoration hanging on that. And over here I put a scarecrow and this pumpkin decoration. And here I put another decoration. And here I put a broom on a rocking chair. So that is all of the Halloween decorations that I just decorated outside. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate this Suncatcher paint kit. So it comes with sunflowers and I guess a scarecrow and some paint, only 3 paints, and I guess this will be the paintbrush. So I'm going to decorate the sunflower first. And yeah. So I'm done painting the sunflower, and this is how it turned out. I tried my best, and yeah, now I'm going to paint the scarecrow. So I'm done with the scarecrow, and this is how it came out. So that is the end of my YouTube video, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.